The link icon is the most versatile tool in the editor toolbar. It can be used to create links to internal pages or assets, as well as external links, anchor links, and email addresses. When creating any link, it needs to be informative. People using screen readers rely on link text to understand what they will learn if they navigate to the link. Do not link headings, as this will cause confusion. Please ensure you review the link guidelines in the Web Style Guide. Access to the Web Style Guide can be found in the Help menu. It's important to note that the link icon appears in both the Intro toolbar as well as the Body toolbar. I'll demonstrate what happens if you highlight text to be linked in the Intro editor, but choose the link icon in the Body toolbar. The link properties box is displayed and the protocol defaults to Other. Before entering a URL, you may choose a protocol from the drop-down list. I will select HTTP. Next, click in the URL field and enter the external URL. Lastly, select OK to save the changes. Notice the link has been embedded in the body editor. I will select the undo icon to remove it and try again. This time I'll choose the icon in the Intro toolbar. I will leave the protocol set to Other and type the HTTP in the URL field. As I type HTTP in the URL field, the protocol is automatically set and removed from the link. Click OK to save and close the properties box. Next, I'll demonstrate a jump link. Jump links can be set to target an anchor on the same page or on another internal page, or even a location set in a PDF. You can find more details on the Insert Links page of the CMS Lite manual. First, select the text to be linked, making sure it's descriptive, and choose the link icon in the corresponding toolbar. Jump links are case sensitive and cannot contain spaces. When typing the link, you must type it exactly as it was entered in the Anchor Properties box. To create a jump link, start by typing a # in the URL field, followed by the link name. Click OK. If you need to confirm the anchor name, navigate to the flag and double-click on the flag to open the Properties box. Double-clicking on anything embedded into the editors will open the associated Properties box. When you've confirmed the name, click Cancel. Next, I will link to a page that's been created in the CMS Lite. Highlight the text to be linked. Notice that I've not included the acronym in the link. If it was included, the screen reader would read it out, left parentheses, SODIS, right parentheses. Although brackets must be included when linking to documents, they're not required here. Select the link icon and click on the Page Picker button at the bottom of the Link Properties box. The Page Picker is launched and defaults to the Search tab. If you know the name of the page, start typing any portion of the page title in the search field to display the results. Alternately, you may use the tree navigation to locate a page. Click on the applicable page to select it. Once the page title is highlighted in blue, click Select. The Page Picker closes and the page's unique ID number is populated in the URL field. Even if the page is renamed or moved to a different location, the link will never be broken. Next, I will link an asset that's been uploaded into the CMS Lite. For more information, refer to Upload Assets in the manual. When linking to a document, such as a PDF, you must indicate the document type and size in brackets and include it as part of the link. This provides essential information to all users. Again, ensure the link is informative for people using screen readers. Choose the link icon and select the Asset Picker button. Type any portion of the file name to display results. When searching for assets, it's important to remember that when assets are uploaded, the file name will be changed to all lowercase and spaces will be replaced with underscores. If you hover over the file name, the file path will be displayed. Highlight the file and click Select. The internal location of the asset is populated in the URL field. Like pages, this ensures links to the asset are never broken if they're moved or renamed. When creating the previous links, we did not change the target window. Government web standards specify that when linking to a web page, including outside the government website, the link is to open in the same window. This ensures that people that are visually impaired or those without the use of their arms are not forced to close a bunch of unwanted tabs or windows. However, when linking to a document, it should be opened in a new window. People not accustomed to browsing the web will often close a document that has been opened in the same window, which results in them inadvertently closing their browser. Other exceptions may include applications that have their own standalone service or web-based forms that require a visitor to refer to instructions on another page. In these cases, using the back button would have a negative impact. Select the target drop-down arrow and choose New Window. The option next to the target allows the content editor to choose whether or not to force the download of a document instead of opening it in a new window. This feature is meant for documents that need to be downloaded and completed by hand, such as a PDF form. If you select yes, you do not need to change the target back to same window, as it will override the setting and open up the dialog box that offers the user to open the file in the applicable application or save the file to their computer. I will leave the default set to no. Select OK to save and close the link properties box. Before viewing the changes in QA, click Save. If required by your Office protocol, enter a modification reason and click Confirm. Once the page has been saved, click View QA. When viewing a page in QA, check every link to ensure the URL is valid and that it opens in the correct format as defined by the web standards. When I select the second link, it will jump to the anchor location above the video. Unless previously done so, take the opportunity to test all the links on the page, for example, the video and email links. Make sure documents open in a new window unless targeted to download. To return to the CMS Lite, close the Browser tab. There are several more options in the Link Properties box that I will demonstrate on a different page. In this example, I will change the Create a Campaign Now link to a Call to Action button. First, I will double-click on the link to open the Properties box. To change the link to a button, select the drop-down arrow next to Link Style and select Button. Select OK to save the change. The link is redisplayed as a button. These buttons have been created to ensure they're accessible to a person using a screen reader. Make sure to use these rather than other graphics when requiring a visitor to the government site to complete an action, such as enrolling for a program. Lastly, I'll create an email link. With the text highlighted, select the link icon. Choose the drop-down arrow in the link type field and choose Email. The Link Properties box is redisplayed with an email address field. Enter an email address and select OK. Save the content changes and view the page in QA. Again, make sure to test all the links on the page before publishing. The link icon is used to create external and internal links, as well as jump links, email links, and action buttons. You must highlight text before choosing the link icon. Make sure to select the icon in the corresponding toolbar. Ensure that your links are descriptive and include file sizes if applicable. Never link headings, as this causes confusion for a person using a screen reader. When linking to any web page, leave the default set to current or same window. When linking to other applications, such as a PDF, set target to open in a new window. Test all links before publishing to the production web server.